What is up, guys? This is another Crypto Extrovert YouTube video. Remember, this is not financial advice, and do not put in what you're afraid to lose. And as always, welcome to the decentralized side. What is up, guys? This is another Crypto Extrovert YouTube video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can get more notifications every time I post a new video. And as always, welcome to the decentralized side. Solana is pumping hard right now. Bitcoin is headed to 100K. Me personally, I don't buy Bitcoin that much because in the long term, yes, I love it. But me trying to accumulate it for a short term, looking for 100x or thinking it's gonna go to $1 million over 1 year, it's not gonna happen. Maybe as a generational asset, that would be better. Bitcoin would most likely be as a long-term generational asset that you hand down from family to family to family and accumulate more and more of. The newer coins like meme coins or the same coins as Ethereum, newer coins like meme coins or Safe Moon or even DeFi coins like Maker, any coin that is basically brand new or you know the potential of the market cap that it can get to, that is where the profit comes in. If you know cryptocurrency and market caps and total supply, circulating supply, all of that good stuff, a lot of these new coins come out with a low market cap, low supply. It's just not a lot of buyers. Not a lot of people know it yet. Or they haven't came out with this new smart contract, or they haven't been used in certain scenarios yet until it's like mainstream yet. And that's what makes it skyrocket. Or there's not a lot of holders. There's not, there's a lot of things that play into cryptocurrency pumps. Another thing that helps tokens pump are deflationary tokenomics. So basically, they burn tokens through whatever scenario they choose in the most efficient way they choose, or whatever tokenomics they choose. The developers or engineers stir up some type of concoction and they mix it into the whole blockchain. They're like, oh, you use this, say you like send in your money to your other wallet, right? They'll charge you maybe like 0.0001% fee, burn fee or something, and start burning the token that you have, or whatever scenario they choose to burn the token, but it still gets it done. Like Ethereum or Safe Moon and a lot of other coins. Before investing into any coin, make sure you do your own research. Make sure you know what you're investing into. Do not spread yourself thin investing into a whole bunch of different cryptocurrencies, because the end outcome would not be as great as if you put that same amount into one thing. Just know what you have and know what you have to do with it. Everybody has their own amounts they start with. There are staking platforms. There are ways to make money on your cryptocurrency. If you already hold it, you don't have to just hold it and sell to make money. You can hold it and make money. If you want to spend cryptocurrency on a debit card, me personally, I would use crypto.com. It has a debit card. You also get perks using Netflix, Hulu type stuff, and you get cash back. I will look into that. Also, I have a $25 referral in the description below. I'll add it. If you're into Shiba Inu right now and Dogecoin or Safe Moon, those are too old. Shiba Inu isn't going to hit a penny until my grandkids are born. Buy better coins. A better coin I know, Baby Cake. It may be a little bit old, but it's on the safer side. I'm on the safer side with it. And you also get rewards holding. And that's the type of coin, just like the circulating supply of, say, like XRP type circulating supply. If you look at Baby Cake's potential, it's brand new, just like PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap has already hit $22. If you look at the circulating supply of Baby Cake, you can see its potential to hit the dollar range and the $1.30 range easily. Chainlink is a very good long-term investment also. XRP is so undervalued, it's ridiculous right now. I'm not gonna get too into the whole little chit-chat situation on what happened and the current, so-and-so, because I don't wanna get flagged or any of that. But Once it starts being used and once it gets out of that position, it's going to skyrocket. It is totally undervalued, and it outperformed Bitcoin in 2018. The lawsuit slowed it down. Accumulate. There's ways to accumulate these coins easier if you're on a budget. Dollar cost average. Put in $100 every week. Put in $200 every month. There's ways to do that. There's settings to put that on automatically also. There are restrictions coming through for Crypto.com or Visa cards now. I hope everybody enjoyed this YouTube video. Make sure to hit that bell, like, comment how your day was, or comment the shield of coin that you love. I will reply and show some love also. Let's get some gains and let's make some money. Decentralized crew out.